Hello everyone, welcome you again in LaTeX Complete tutorial series. In this video series, I will cover detailed explanation of various features of LaTeX. Anyway, before starting anything from LaTeX, first let us understand why LaTeX is required for researchers and important over other word processing. So let us show one document written in LaTeX. So that document will give you some feeling. So see, this document, this is book format, and another, this is one report. Okay, so this is the mathematical report, lab report, and this is written in like an article having abstract, introduction, and other features like mathematical expression also and figure. So let us see here. See how beautiful and standard font written this mathematical expression. So this type of mathematical expression, if you are trying to write using word, it will be very difficult and took lot of time to look decent. But in the case of LaTeX, you will just write the code and you will get this beautiful expression. So this is the example of mathematical expression, and let us see another. This is the one figure which is, see, this is the image having a perfect alignment, but if the same image you inserted using the word, you will be very difficult to make alignment. So in this case, in LaTeX, you just write the center command, you will get the image in the center part. Let us come to another file. This is the book written in LaTeX. So this is the content of this book: the introduction, font selection, formatting, LaTeX. Also, I am using this book as a reference for making this video. So see, this book file is written in LaTeX, and once you click on the introduction part, see, this is the introduction part, and this is the subsection of the introduction part, while LaTeX over other word processing. So once you click this subtitle of this content, you will be directed to the main content. See, okay, here this is the main content of the LaTeX. So here there is some citation of table 2.1. So once you click this citation, you will be directed to the table, the original table where this is incorporated. Just see, this is the table 2.1, different type of text mode font used in LaTeX. So this is very easy way to cite the table, figure, and reference. So see, this is how beautiful written in LaTeX folder. You can see the table, which is very perfect alignment, and it's a very perfect and a standard font. You can also use the color for different font or a different sentence, just writing a color code. LaTeX, it is very easy to create introduction section, abstract section, body part, and also creating reference part. So now coming to the main content, advantage of LaTeX over word processing. So if I'm talking in general, then LaTeX is what you get is what you mean. But in the case of word processing, you can say what you see is all you get. So this is the basic difference in one sentence. In the LaTeX, what you get is what you desire. So if I am talking in generally, its appearance is awesome by default. In LaTeX, looks nicer. It is easier to format professionally, whereas MS Word takes a lot of efforts to look decent. But in case of LaTeX, you can just write one code and you will get the result very easily. So see, this is two picture, one picture, this is one picture, and this is the other. This is the front page of the thesis. This file is written in Word, and this file is written using LaTeX. So in this, you can just see the font of the word written in MS Word is somewhat different from the LaTeX. And also this first report, the inserting in image is somewhat difficult, and once you insert in image you will get some difficulty to make alignment or make center, but this is not the same for the LaTeX. You can see in this case the logo is inserted and it is very perfect alignment, so you don't have worry for the alignment. So this is some of the features or features in LaTeX. So and also you can have already encountered in a double column of articles. So preparing report in double column is much difficult in Word, but in a LaTeX it is very easy to make report in double column. Sometimes the articles editors are asked to submit article in double column. So in this case that will help you a lot. The main part of this video comes to reference in the Word doesn't automatically order them, means the reference, but in case of LaTeX it is very easy and much flexibility to insert the citation, and it will automatically order them according to your citation. So this is very easy in case of LaTeX. So now concluding this video, for professional or professor, PhD student, researcher, any organizational body who is involved in preparing report, I strongly recommend LaTeX is a perfect typeset for you. So try to use, and once you understand the basic code you will be very comfortable with LaTeX. So I highly recommend this community to use LaTeX. So thank you for watching this video. This is the advantage of LaTeX over the word processing. So again, thank you and see you in next tutorial.